Progress is slope 0. Mark the baseline, hold 0.
Crane radius stays fenced, no entry.
Squatted away, that's your structure.
Low boy needs a wider swing. Adjust here.
Drainage crossing clear, no standing water.
Red is center line, protect it. Base is dry, green light piling.
Plumb verified, start the drive. Planning use extreme energy.
Cure starts now. Keep traffic off. Cover blocks every meter. Keep spacing. Align the paint marks. Hold it there.
Pins in. Hold load until locked.
Line bores. Drive pin on my count.
Hands clear, roller seating now.
Master pin seated. Torque and stripe.
Center line matched, lower another inch.
Sequence A complete, move to quadrant 2. Guardrails complete, tie off mandatory. Egress clear, lights on every landing.
Taglines left. Keep it off the tower.
Welds clean. No undercut on edges.
Idlers aligned, lock brackets now.
Flanges flush. Start bolts from the center.
Leave slack loop, final tension later.
Pins first, then bolts, then torque.
Load sequence A, stay within chart.
Seated. Install retainers before release.
Torque stripes visible.
No, Felicita, record the set.
Harness keyed, no forcing connectors.
Cabin down, keep cables clear of pinch.
Label both ends. Match the wiring list.
Route clear, no one inside the red zone.
Verify bolt grade. Use only the marked set.
Balance the install, opposite buckets next.
Critical weld NDT on this joint.
All clear, no one past the barriers. Bring it in slow, align the guide pins.
Near rollers, use the poles.
Splice square, measure both edges.
Guards on before any test run.
Pressure line capped, open only on my call.
Continuity good, bond the next section.
Station 7, E-stop trips confirmed. Rotation smooth, hold speed at 10%.
Jog only. Confirm direction and amps.
Lock nuts tight. Recheck after 1 hour.
Tag corrected. Update the IO sheet.
Tracking left, quarter turn on the idler. Hold at test pressure, scan every joint.
Pressure off, swap seal, then retest.
Interlocks green, move to functional run.
Mission, record deflection at max reach. Critical bolts complete, close the audit.
Decals placed. Confirm sight lines from the seat.
Keep drains clear. No standing water.
Horn works. Log test time and panel status. All gates latch.
Punch list nearly closed.
Tension set, record both sides.
Ramp to 50, watch temps and vibration. Bay, keep tie-off points.
Permanent placards installed.
Save the final backup.
Looks good. Smooth motion across full arc.
Complete. Hand over to operations.
Subscribe, like, and share.